and welcome to your senior research projects. I'm super excited to be working with you this quarter on helping you complete your requirement for your senior project. This is not just a required component of your studies at Cal Poly, but a chance for you to explore a topic with me in terms of research and for you to become an expert in that topic. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about conducting a literature review. This is a large component of what you will be working on in the class this quarter. And so I want you to understand in this video what is a literature review, and then also talk about some of the expectations for the literature review for this course. A literature review is a written summary of articles, books, and other documents that describes the past and current state of knowledge about a topic. This is something that's really helpful and can help you if you're applying to graduate school or if you're applying for a job and you need something to talk about. Conducting a literature review is really going to make you an expert on what is known about a topic, as well as what some of the gaps currently are on that topic. It's also going to help inform the work that we're doing on the research project this quarter and helping to identify and also fill any of those gaps in that literature through the research that we're working on. So there's kind of some main purposes and really important things that are done when we are conducting a literature review. So the purpose of a literature review is to kind of help direct our thinking on a topic. It's part of the development of a research question. It places the topic in historical perspective, so thinking about what do we already know about the topic, what has already been examined when it comes to this topic. It helps us identify appropriate methodology for conducting research. So we don't want to recreate the wheel when we're creating questions to assess variables. So for example, if you're conducting a study that looks at the association between sleep and obesity, you would see from the literature that the Pittsburgh Sleep Quality Index is a validated tool that is used to assess sleep quality. You wouldn't want to make up your own questions or recreate the wheel to try and assess your variables of interest. So a literature review is important when it comes to designing the methodology of a research study. It helps us refine our research question. So it may help us find out that a health issue has only been studied in a specific population. And so it helps you shift your focus of your research to that specific population. And it helps us prevent us from basically conducting research that's already been done. It allows us to see how past research has contributed to the current state of knowledge about a topic. And, it really helps us, again, avoid repeating studies that have already been completed. And it helps us make sure that we're conducting novel studies that haven't been examined. And lastly, it provides an explanation of the practical significance of the study on that chosen topic. So the purpose of your literature review, in addition to helping with the research project that I'm leading this quarter, there's also some other purposes that I want you to be aware of in terms of the work that you're going to be working on and how this helps meet the learning objectives of this course. So in terms of the purpose of your literature review, it helps to demonstrate that you have the ability to effectively search, locate, and select appropriate and relevant reference material. It also helps demonstrate that you have the ability to analyze, synthesize, and summarize the available literature for your chosen topic. Demonstrate that you have the ability to review the literature and write a comprehensive and up-to-date review of the topic. And demonstrate that you have a thorough command of the topic which you are studying. These are all things that you should be able to do as a graduate of Cal Poly with a degree in kinesiology or public health. And so this capstone project in terms of the literature review portion is going to help demonstrate that you know how to do all of these things. And, as I mentioned, it will also make you a content expert in the research topic that you're going to be working on this quarter. And this will be really helpful for your job interviews, if you're going to go directly into the workforce after you finish at Cal Poly, or if you want to go to grad school. This is a really great way to demonstrate your knowledge, your in-depth knowledge on a particular topic, and have something to talk about in those interviews. So that's kind of an overview of the literature review and what it is, and kind of the purpose for you in terms of why you're conducting a literature review on the research topic you're going to be helping me with this quarter. This week, I want to make sure that you get familiar with the class. I want you to read the syllabus. There is a contract that you need to complete and upload to Canvas. Please make sure to do that by Sunday. And I also want you to complete the assigned reading that I posted to Canvas. This will help you learn more about the research topic that we're going to be working on together this quarter. So I am super excited to have you in senior project and to help you complete this so you can graduate and also become an expert on the topic as well this quarter.